Jim Tech Buzz. Next up is the Tronsmart IPX7 Splash 1 waterproof portable wireless speaker. So I'm going to unbox it now and then take it for the test. So you have 15 more outputs, 24 hours playtime, 18 meters range, and you've got aux, wireless and type C charging. So let's break it out of the box and have a look. Right, so we have got rid of that. You've got the speaker, you've got more of this, and inside here you've got your warranty card, your user manual, with all the controls there which we'll go through with you. And in here we've got the aux cable and the USB-C, USB-A. So let's have a look. So the first thing you notice, you've got a lanyard strap so you can carry that on your wrist or your belt or whatever the case may be around your neck. And we have got the logo here, your buttons here which are raised, and you have got the other connections in here, your in-IOs, and that's it, USB-C and your 3.5mm auxiliary cable. And you've got some rubber feet on the bottom, so it's pretty solid, feels really weighty too, nice fabric coating up on top. And you've got more buttons around the side here, and we'll go and do a test on it and see how it sounds. So we'll be back to you after the break. Hello, it's Jim back with the Splash 1 from Tronsmart, which has got IPX rating as well, so it's waterproof, ideal for the beach and all that kind of stuff. And also to notice, you've got some LEDs on the side of the unit there which changes colour when you're playing music, and you've got your LEDs on the back and your mode here. So overall compact speaker and really nicely built, not too heavy, not too big, and can fit around your neck, around your belt, or around your wrist, wherever way you want to carry it with you. So it's handy in that perspective as well. So how does it sound? We're going to let you have a listen to some sounds now, and you'll get some kind of idea what to expect when you pick this up. So you can see when you press play, the lights change on the side, which is pretty cool. So you have your volume here, and if you look on your phone, skip track, you hold down for 2 seconds. Same for reverse, you hold back here. Just like that. Or you can of course use your phone if you like. So to activate the sound pulse, you'll press these two together at the same time, and you can hear the difference there.
a cracking camera on it.
Here
And I'll throw in some never-ending data if you like.
And we're just going to hide the audio from the ad. For the at all. Hello, Shipping Tech Buzz back with a review of the Tronsmart Onyx Ace. And don't forget to check out the Apollo Air and the Apollo Air Plus, which we also have here. We just reviewed them too on site. So these are smaller earbuds, nice and glossy finish there, your touch control. So that's what it's going to sound like there. You know, doing sound cards mightn't do them justice, but the sound is pretty decent. There's a nice level of bass there as well. There's no EQ, but you don't really need it. It just pumps out nice sound. And you have the option for the sound pulse there as well. Turn it on and off, which gives you a bit more additional brightness to your music. And overall, it sounds good. It looks really cool with these lights on the side as well. Nice and solid. It's waterproof. You can't really go wrong. Bring it out with you anywhere. Have it in your house, no matter what it is you're listening to. It's going to sound good. It's going to be a nice... This is a nicely well built speaker too. And you can't really complain. Overall, pretty decent product. And again, Tronsmart sent us this over. Didn't pay us any compensation, nor gave us any input, and they see the review at the same time as you. Stay tuned, we have a lot of stuff from Tronsmart to show you. Stay tuned for more coming soon and other tech videos, and we'll see you then. But overall, check it out. We'll leave a link below to where you can pick them up and tell us your thoughts down below. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.